Hello, I hope you're all keeping well as the pandemic continues to impact the way we work in many Pacific jurisdictions. Let's take a look at some of the local highlights from Marsh's quarterly index. Commercial insurance pricing in our region increased 13% overall, which was less than the 17% in the prior quarter and continued several quarters of moderating price increases. All major insurance product lines, financial and professional, property and casualty, experienced increases. Global composite pricing rose 13% in the fourth quarter, matching our region. So it's worth noting that this was the first quarter since Q1 2016 that the Pacific region's average rate of increase was not higher than the global average. Increases across all geographies continued to moderate. The global increase peaked at 22% in the fourth quarter of 2020. The levelling out in pricing of D&O programs continued amid developing competition, particularly for excess layers. Professional indemnity premiums increased again amid tightening capacity. In the region, as globally, cyber insurance premiums increased substantially, driven by the frequency and severity of ransomware claims. In the US, cyber pricing was up 130% in the quarter. It increased 92% in the UK. Pressure on pricing and deductibles continued and brought a marked reduction in capacity and narrowing of key coverages. Pricing remained challenging due in large measure to claims inflation and reduced capacity from some major carriers. Risk selection was more pronounced than previously, and some major programs underwent substantial restructuring of layers. Insurance capacity increased for quality, loss-free clients. Still, challenges remain for high-hazard industries, risks in catastrophe zones, and clients with poor loss history. Exposure to secondary catastrophe perils, such as hail, bushfire, and drought, remain particular concerns. We expect pricing increases to continue moderating throughout the year, barring unforeseen changes in conditions. We believe this trend has now been established in the market. Cyber, however, continues to go against the trend. I encourage you to stay in touch with your Marsh representative as you strategise ahead of any upcoming renewals.